Hello guys, welcome to my channel Computer Atom Cosmos. Guys, today the title of my topic is how to create invitation card in Canva. As you know, invitation card is a thing used when we have to invite someone for a party, or let's say a birthday party or a wedding invitation, etc. anything. And to invite everyone, we need a card to share with everyone. So, Canva is a tool that helps to design the invitation card, that too free of cost. So, without wasting time, let's move to canva.com. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and if not, please like and share as much as you can. These videos may help many. So here is canva.com. Guys, from the browser you can go to your Google page and write canva.com. So it is taking few minutes to open. Yes, now we got canva.com. Here is the full screen that you are seeing, where we can create or design many of the things here you are seeing, like documents, whiteboard, thumbnail, YouTube banner, and lot many things. Facebook post, banner, presentation, Instagram post, etc. Even I have created a few videos on Canva using ChatGPT also. I'll share that particular video link in the description box, so kindly see that also. Right, now moving to the invitation card. For that, you need to see the templates of invitation card. So let's find out where the invitation card template is. So here in the search, right here, invitation card. Right. Here we have different options for us: invitation cards, wedding invitation card, housewarming invitation card. Okay, you can select any one as you required, right? So moving to the templates. Guys, one more thing. There are few templates that are free of cost in this, and the few templates that have the symbol of crown will be shown as it will be of some cost, minimal of some amount of cost. So if you are agreed to take that template, you can pay and can get templates if you like that template very much, right? So here you are seeing number of templates of invitation cards. Now, for example, you want to make an invitation card of birthday. Okay, here is the one template in pink pastel colorful form, right? Other maybe this is professional. That means this crown is showing you that it may cost something. So if you want free of cost, you can select the other one, right? Here is the invitation. Here is the invitation card that you are seeing, right? Of some one wedding, right? So let's select any one. Okay, let's select this one. This is a crown. So here it is. Here it is showing the crown part. So we can't use this without paying it. So I am seeing some free of cost templates. let's see. Okay, let's see. Let's take this. Okay, here this is the template that I am using. Happy birthday, wish you all the best, right? So here in the right side you are seeing customize this template. You can click on this. It is taking few minutes to get display. Here it comes. Now nothing much you have to do. This is already a template created. Okay, so if you want to add the name of the kid for which invitation it is of to share with everyone, you can add that. Okay, even on the left hand side you are seeing that there are other number of templates also. If you are interested in that, you can take any one. Okay, but take care of this crown. If you are agreed to pay, you can opt for that also, right? Okay, so this is the template. Now I want to edit this template according to mine. Okay, let's see. I want to add the picture of that particular kid. Okay, so I'll click on elements. I want the picture to be in some square shape or some circle shape. So I am taking picture to be in this shape. Okay, here it is. You can drag it or make it small, make it large as you like. Now take any of the picture that you like. Okay, I mean you want to add picture of the kid. I'm finding that picture. Like this picture I need, I'll copy it and I paste it. Okay, so now drag this picture to this. Okay, it will automatically be it will automatically be there shown here, right? Now you want to add the name of the kid. Okay, take the heading. Okay, now you want to add the name here. Okay, okay, this wish to be dragged down. You want to add the name of the kid here, right? And writing my name over here as Tanvi. Right? Okay. You want to make it in some beautiful font. You can select the font from here. Like this. You can make it attractive as much as you like, right? In some calligraphic form. It will look like this, and you want to change the color. You can change the color like this. Okay, right? This as you like. Okay. Here is the name of the kid. There is the photograph you want to add. Okay. You want to add here, for example, you can select this right here. You can add you are inviting the person from whom? From your family, from ABC family, right? Invitation from the ABC family, and to whom? You can shift the picture to here, and you can write here to whom you are sending the invitation, right? So click here in the subheading, you can write to XYZ, to the concerned person you're sharing with. You can make it attractive by adding any of the fonts you like. You can change the color of the text also, like this. You click on this A, it will help you to change the color as you like. Okay, so here it is. You can change this also. Okay, so now you want to download, so go to the file, click on the download button. Sorry for that. Go to the file option, click on download. On the right side you will get this file type PNG, any type you require, JPG, PNG, PDF, any format you like. Okay, I am good with the PNG. So here I am downloading. See, processing is going on. It's completed now. And here I am seeing the invitation card. It's ready to go. You can share the invitation card to the particular person from your family side for invitation of anything. Similarly, you can make the wedding card also. There are many of the templates that is available in the Canva. You have to just click on it and customize this according to your creativity that you like. So I think guys, through this video you all get the idea of making the invitation cards. Guys, if you want any video on any of the topic of computer, you can comment me in this video. I will definitely try to fulfill your wish. Thank you and goodbye.